So, hi dear Sagittarius, very, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal no contact love reading for all the Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising for the rest of the month of June 2026. Roles can be reversed also, action can be from your side also, and if it is not resonating, this is definitely not your story. Please don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the reading, honey. Sometimes the messages are not for you, okay? Please keep that in mind. For personal reading healing session, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono masterclass, 2 links are given below. So let's start. Okay. Sagittarius, the person that you are in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you. Sorry. We have the Page of Wands, the Page of Pentacles, and the Empress. Good. Bottom of the deck is Ace of Wands. So this is somebody who is feeling they're missing you. Intuitively, they're seeing your dreams. They're feeling your energies. They're seeing your name all over the place. There's something about this connection, this bond, that is making them feel like they're feeling connected to you again on a deeper level. They can't stop thinking about you. They can't stop thinking about the situation. Their intuition is continuously guiding them towards you. And on a conscious level, this person is feeling like coming towards you with a very light-hearted kind of friendly kind of approach, and then making it look like it's a very subtle, very genuine, very stable kind of energy. But they are looking forward to have some kind of growth and expansion, some kind of long-term partnership kind of a deal with you, especially if children are involved in the situation, like you are pregnant or they are pregnant, or you guys have kids together, or you guys were married to each other. So they are feeling like they should at least keep a very beautiful, positive, cordial kind of a connection with you. For some of you, wow, for some of you, this person is getting married or getting settled somewhere else, and or they already are, but they feel like they should keep in touch with you also, and have a long term partnership with you, even if it is just a friendship kind of a deal for the rest of your lives. Okay, something related to pregnancy, kids, maybe huge age difference is there, that is making this situation very, very unique and different from others. But they feel they are intuitively connected to you, and these days they are missing you and your energies a lot. They can sense your energies around them, and they feel like having a cordial friendship kind of a deal with you, and they are looking forward to have something long term if it is possible. But feelings, they don't have any limitations. They are feeling like that, right? And even if it is not possible, they feel like at least we can be good friends, at least we can have a cordial connection with each other for the rest of our lives. Again, especially if you guys have kids or were married to each other, or something related to age difference is also here. I told you all the scenarios that I got out of this situation. Let's see what action, what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Sagis? We have the Ace of Swords, the Seven of Swords, and the Two of Swords. Bottom of the deck is the Queen of Cups. Okay, so this person doesn't want to show their emotions. They don't want to show how compassionate, how loving, nurturing, caring kind of energies they still carry for you and for the situation within themselves. They want to make it look like, okay, yeah, they do care, but on a friendly level only. They don't have anything romantic. They don't care about you in that way or something from inside. And from conscious level, this person wants to clear the air with you regarding some kind of betrayal, cheating, some kind of something that happened, one of you, some kind of suspicious energies around the situation. Maybe they're on the crossroads and something related to this situation is not clear to them, whether it's from your side or their side. There was some kind of behind the scenes situation that was there, and that is still here, like energetically, and you guys don't have any clue what's happening or what was happening. One of you doesn't have a clue about what the other person was doing when you guys were together, and you guys want to clear the air with each other, especially this person, whether they are the one cheated on you, whether you are the one cheated on them, or whether there was a mysterious kind of energy around the situation that you guys need to clear with each other. But this person wants to clear the air with you for sure regarding a situation that's still up in the air, regarding some kind of stealing, lying, manipulating, cheating, betrayal, whatever it is. Take it how it resonates with you according to your situation. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the end of this month, June 2026, Sagittarius. We have the death card. Okay, no. Page of swords and the ten of wands. Bottom of the deck is the three of cups. Okay, this person is going to I think they are going to be more social, and they are going to be more socially active in their life, more socially active, and online also they are going to be quite active. So they are going to try their best to keep themselves as busy with other people, other situations, other things, rather than coming towards you. Why am I saying that? Because death and the page of swords and the ten of wands, even if they're watching you online or keeping tabs on you or something, they are going to lose interest in that also. They are going to be like, it's making them feel very heavy and burdensome to continuously check your energies, where you are, what you are up to. This person is losing interest in that kind of energies, and they are feeling like they should just let it go. For the time being, they are just trying to detach themselves from the whole scenario, from this whole situation, because right now they just want to keep themselves busy with other people, situations, and things. And because this situation is making them feel like it's very difficult to deal with right now. I'll think about it later on. I'll come back to the situation later on. Okay, this is what they are up to. Okay, let's see the guidance here for you guys for the situation, Sagis. We have the hanged man, the judgment, the king of cups. Bottom of the deck is the six of cups. Okay, this might be one of those situations in your life where you felt deeply, 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 you felt like you found your person. Or this might be one of those situations where even if you guys are not together, you are energetically still very much together, and you guys are always in each other's energies, and you feel good about it. You're not feeling bad about it, or you're not feeling revengeful or hateful or anything like that, right? So even if this is something that is still very, very meaningful for you, honey, keeping your life on hold and not being able to let go or release something or someone out of your system is not a good idea. Okay, until unless it is making your life bad, or making your life, oh my god, I'm suffering, I can't breathe. Until unless that is happening, you're okay, you're good to go. But if something is making you feel like very heavy, very burdensome, you're not able to be happy, you're not able to be at peace with yourself, then I think you should think about releasing the particular person or situation out of your system slowly but surely. If this is something that is making you feel like you are okay, you are good, you are content, you are peaceful, but it is stopping you from moving forward with other people, then also it's a problem. And if it is giving you the courage and the strength that this is what it is, your perception is changing, your energies are shifting, you are growing as a person, as a soul, you are understanding that sometimes in life we don't get what we want. It doesn't mean that we cannot move forward and love other people and connect with other people, because we feel we had a strong connection with somebody at some point of time, and energetically we still feel it. This is more of a lecture than guidance. This is more of a awareness energy than guidance, that you are very much aware of of the existence of this particular person and energy in your life, and what they means to you, and maybe what they are going to mean to you for the rest of your lives. There is an awareness here. But if it is stopping you from moving forward, if it is stopping you from growing as a person, as a soul, then I think you should look into this deeply. If not, you are good to go, you're happy, you're content, then keep going. I don't see any harm in that. That's good. That's mature. Let me answer one of your questions related to this particular situation of your life, Sajis. This portion also might or might not resonate. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry about it. Just let it be. I'm going to give you 15 to 20 seconds to get the answer. If that's not enough for you, you can pause and unpause whenever you feel like. Okay. And what else? If you're not going to get a clear cut yes or no, then you can take the message as the guidance for your situation if you want to, else you can leave it. Okay. So let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space. Keep it short, simple, and precise. And your time starts now. Okay, so the answer to your question is go, the time is right. See, these cards have yes and no too. Let me show you the yes and no too. This is This is the yes card. This is the yes card. And we have, this is the no card. This is your luck. This is the answer that you need to hear, not the answer that you want to hear, that these cards give us. A lot of people I keep on fighting with me about, are you sure there's a yes in your deck? Yes, I'm sure it is there. It's not in your energies right now, so I can't do anything about it. Go, the time is right. When you receive this card, it is encouraging you to take action now. This is not this There's no time like the present. Seize the moment. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in. Saggies, we'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you.